What's going on YouTube? You know, Natural Average Hybrid back with another vid. And today it's gonna be a nice little quick video, but let me just get this cold start out the way, you know. I know y'all wanna hear it. I know. Ain't that cold, but you can't hear me. That's how you know how loud it is. You cannot hear me. But no, all seriousness. I'm gonna let that calm down a little bit. Alright, now that she quiet down a little bit. But yeah, you know it's gonna be a quick video. Nice little, you know, LED mod. If you guys don't know how to change these lights on your Infiniti, I got a video going over it on my channel. Feel free to check it out. But yeah, I got these little LEDs from Wish. They came with a nice little remote color change and everything. Here's the remote it came with right here. A little battery in there. But it came with this remote. Apparently, yeah, you feel me? You can change the colors. Green. That's supposed to be, I just hit blue, but it looks purple. Purple again, blue. But I guess all the colors don't really work for some reason. But I got these off of Wish, so it was real cheap. So. Okay. That's making me look like a fool, guys. There we go. But I'm gonna just keep it on the one mode. On that's slowly flashing through. So you got different modes. But you just keep it on that one. I don't know why it only flashes those like 3 colors, but yeah, guys. Nice little quick mode. I'm gonna see on all, you know, in all the other doors I have just the white LEDs. I don't know, these lights are pretty cool. Alright, so I actually might order, you know, some official ones and put them in my doors and headlights, fog lights, you know. But yeah, you know, let me know down in the comments what you guys think about these. Cause you know, got just the normal white ones, you know, and all other doors. Got this one and that. Looks pretty cool at night times. Yeah, that was a quick little vid. Till next time, guys.